Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can level up your pet's age on Grow a Garden. So there are a few ways to level up your pet's age. The first and easiest way ish. I say this because it is super easy, but it's hard to get by. If you scroll down, wait, oh, if you scroll down, there is going to be a level up lollipop and it will automatically increase your pet's age by 1. It is, however, expensive. I think it's 100 million shekels, but it's this one here. Or you can either feed your pet, although it will take longer. It's going to be in the gear section, I think. You're just going to grab your level up lollipop. You're going to get close to your pet and you're just going to double click on the pet. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I know it's it's inconvenient to have to go to the gear shop all the time to check if there is a level up lollipop, but you can just add the restock notifier to your Discord. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.